5 most affordable superbikes in India, Suzuki Hayabusa, Kawasaki Ninja 1000 and more. The Indian two-wheeler market is witnessing a gradual shift as the big bike market is also growing alongside the commuter motorcycles. The number of literary-class bikes is now more than ever in the country. This means enthusiasts also have more options to choose from. So, we have made a list of the top 5 most affordable superbikes that you can buy today in India.
The Kawasaki Ninja 1000 is one of the most affordable leader-class bikes that you can buy today in India. With an asking price of 11.98 rupees lakh, ex-showroom Delhi, the Ninja 1000 has been favored by many sports touring enthusiasts. It's powered by a 1043 cubic centimeters inline 4-cylinder motor that dishes out 140.13 brake horsepower and 111 Newton meters. It gets a TFT, LED illumination, smartphone connectivity, ride modes, traction control, quick shifter, and cornering ABS on the feature front. It rides on USD front forks and a monoshock with preload and rebound adjustability. The Ninja 1000's braking hardware comprises 300mm twin front discs and a 250mm rear disc with ABS. The 17-inch alloys are wrapped in Bridgestone tires.
The Ducati Monster is a street fighter offering with an asking price of 12.49 rupees lakh, ex-showroom Delhi. It's powered by 937 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine with the output rated at 109.96 brake horsepower and 93 Newton meters. The motor packs ample mid-range torque. Ducati has offered a boatload of electronics with the bike. For instance, it gets LED illumination, 3 riding modes, sport, urban, and touring, wheelie control, traction control, cornering ABS, and launch control. The front forks and rear monoshock also offer adjustability, and the braking hardware comprises twin 320mm Brembo discs and a single 245mm rear disc.
Another Suzuki Superbike that you can opt for in this list is the legendary Hayabusa. The bike became a household name from its first generation until its latest iteration, which is on sale for 16.41 rupees lakh, ex-showroom Delhi. The Suzuki Hayabusa draws power from a 1,340 cubic centimeters inline 4-cylinder motor that dishes out 187.3 brake horsepower and 150 Newton meters. It's mated to a 6-speed gearbox and gets a quick shifter as well. Other rider aids like 5 riding modes, a 6-axis IMU, ride-by-wire, ABS, traction control, anti-lift control system, active speed limiter, launch control, and engine brake control are also offered on the Suzuki offering. We rode the bike on one of our country's famed racetracks, and here's how the Hayabusa performed.
Last but not least, the BMW S1000R has also made it to this list. It costs 18.30 rupees lakh, ex-showroom Delhi, and has been recently updated as well. The Bavarian Street Fighter packs a 999 cubic centimeters single-cylinder motor that makes 162.26 brake horsepower and 114 Newton meters. It's mated to a 6-speed gearbox and offers oodles of power from the get-go. Backing the firepower on this motorcycle is a list of electronics like 3 ride modes, rain, road, and dynamic, anti-hopping clutch, traction control system, ABS Pro, Hill Start Control, Riding Modes Pro, Dynamic Brake Control, DBC, Engine Drag Torque Control MSR, Engine Brake Control. It rides on adjustable front and rear suspension, and the braking hardware includes twin front and a single rear disc.